All right, people, we're at the 19th and Vine Garage. This is the main bank. It's been a while. Oh, look at the indicator. It's stuck up on 3. It's probably broken.
Press the button.
And look behind you by the top. It's the fire alarm. It's a simplex. And guess what? They're ThyssenKrupp with Mabius Vandal Resistant from 2010. So how many years ago?
15.
15 years ago. This garage just opened. So here we go.
Which one's going to be left or right? Place your bets now.
It's that one.
Oh.
Oh, it's working.
I would have said the right one, and I would have been.
This one has a what kind of door? It's a like
an advertisement.
Advertisement door, but the other one doesn't.
Oh wow! Look at the floor on this one. It's chopped up.
Let's go to 5.
Oh.
Let's look at the window. You can see but the other one is the hydraulic ones. Here we go.
This elevator needs some TLC.
Yeah.
On the floor and a little bit on the walls. Big.
That's a annoying buzzer.
I've heard worse. See how foggy it is today? Ooh, we don't like that.
Oh dear.
I am. Okay. We're on 5. Okay. You want to head back down, please?
1. Let's ring the bell. ThyssenKrupp trick.
Okay.
Also known as TK trick. There's another fire alarm. Simplex fire alarm. According to Jim, we did. It's a nice elevator. There's Dad. Hi. You can see the grain elevator over there. There's Dad. Hello.
Hello. I'm coming you coming me.
These are your fixtures. Mabius Vandal Resistant. Your phone down there. There's your certificates. The label says Thyssen. It's supposed to be says ThyssenKrupp. Whoa, the panel is loose. 4,000 pounds capacity. Keep elevator.
Maybe they gotta fix it. That's why.
Send you on your way.
Okay. Watch it close up, and then we'll go see the other bank.
I did set it up.
And that's it. Is that it?
Oh, there it goes.
Okay.
Let's get the other one.
Oh, okay. Just quickly, okay?
Yep. Yep, here it comes.
It's probably the same thing as the other one over here. Hopefully in better condition, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
This ThyssenKrupp elevators is like according to ThyssenKrupp Elevator Corporation.
The floor looks better.
Also the hand sanitizer too. Let's go to 5.
They must have taken something out.
Now listen to this motor. Now this panel's better.
Yeah.
But the car number 1 doesn't.
Up we go. Okay.
Here are 5.
Okay.
Let's go right down to 1. ThyssenKrupp trick. What does a trick mean?
It means something that it doesn't normally do, but it does it anyway. Something like that.
And this is just like the other one.
That's unexpected, yeah.
And the floor is
better than the other one.
these are your fixtures, upper angle on the buttons. Here's your phone. Ooh,
What was that?
that was the elevator. Fornicator.
Are you sure?
Yep. O'Keefe Elevator Company, elevator number 2. This one's 3,500 pounds, but the other one is 4,000 pounds. There's your hand sanitizer.
Okay. What's up?
There it goes.
Is that it?
Yep, and that's it.
Okay.